Okay, so I told you guys I would do this. Hopefully this helps. In case you were confused at what we did today, I'm going to go ahead and fill some of this stuff out. So we talked about independent, dependent variable today, and one of the examples we looked at was how do different types of fertilizers affect grass growth. And the clue that I gave you when we think about independent variable is always to ask yourself, what is the scientist changing? So in this case, again, our question is how do different fertilizers affect grass growth? The scientist is going to change the type of fertilizer. Okay, he's got Scott's, he's got Vigoro or Weed and Feed, and so we ask ourselves now in the dependent variable, what is the scientist measuring? And in this case, the scientist is going to measure grass growth. It can't just be grass, it has to be grass growth because grass isn't really measurable. But the growth of the grass is something very specific that we can measure. Some constants that we might have, and you remember constants are things that we keep the same throughout the entire experiment. Maybe the type of grass, maybe the amount of water with the grass. How about the amount of sun? All of that is going to be the same among the different types of fertilizers that we do. Now the control group, I told you all day long that is the tricky one. The control group is what we compare our independent variables to. So in this case, we are going to compare our independent variable to grass with no fertilizer. Okay, because we want to compare grass with no fertilizer to Scott's to see which one grew more. Grass with no fertilizer to Vigoro to see which one grew more, and then grass with no fertilizer to the Weed and Feed to see which one grew more. So just a quick video. Hopefully it helped. And look for the other two that are coming up here soon.